I am Reggie, Associate Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication, Rogani College of Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about satellite communication, Unit 4, Multiple Axis Technique, Cold Division Multiple Axis. On completion, students can understand the concept of code division multiple axis. What is CDMA? Fully digitalized wireless data transmission. Use special random numbers to encode bits of information. Allow multiple access by assigning different users different random numbers on the same channel. Users have control to a wide variety channel bandwidth of 1.5 to 5 MHz. Built-in interference minimization. So background. So the first CDMA standard is IS-95 was issued. In 1995, CDMA technology was put into commercialization in Hong Kong and America on large scale. In April 2001, China Unicom began to construct CDMA network, the largest in the world. At present, CDMA commercial network was established in about 40 countries or area, almost 20% of all users in the world. Executive summary, code division multiple axis. It provides a new dimension which represents the code. It works in two methods called direct sequence and frequency hopping. It has a huge application in cellular network. There are three evolutions of CDMA: IS-95, CDMA 2000, WCDMA. Soft handoff increase reliability of handover. Methodology: collection of information from book as well as different websites such as Wikipedia, slidesheet.com. Got from the communication theory. Block diagram of this CDMA. There exists a new dimension with time and frequency. Now you can see the basic diagram of CDMA. The new dimension represents the code which provide the operator for the user. Working principle of CDMA. The voice has to digitized pulse code modulation then compressed. Each user is given as unique PN code. The code must have low cross correlation. The transmitter multiplies the code by the data to get coded message. Working principle CDMA. So as we know, the transmission digital voice or RSN data is given to this digital data. Through this we are going a PN code generation. From this we are having the combination of PN sequence code with spectrum. You will get digitized signal. From this transmitter we are moving to this receiver. This shows this spectrum of the CDMA. There is a large variation. We can see how this CDMA technology can be employed in this graph, such a way that each line shows the different range. There are two different types of CDMA: frequency hopping and direct sequence. In frequency hopping, fixed sequence of frequency value, time is divided into slot. But the first time slot, a given user transmit the base station using the first frequency in its frequency hopping sequence. In the next time interval, it transmit using second frequency value in a frequency hopping sequence and so on. This way, the transmit frequency keep changing in time. CDMA application in mobile network. IS-95 mainly used in USA. Standard was finished in 1993 and first commercial launched in 1996. Basic bit data rate is 9.6 kilobits per second. Chip rate of 1.228 M chip. Allocate bandwidth is 1.25 MHz. Fixed spreading code of length 64. Advantages of CDMA. CDMA is CDMA because as it can accommodate more user per megahertz of bandwidth than any other technology, 3 to 5 times more than GSM. CDMA consumes less power and coverage large area, so that cell size in CDMA is larger. CDMA is able to produce a reasonable call with lower signal. CDMA use soft handoff, reducing the likelihood of dropped call. Has a well-defined path to higher data rate. Quiz question. In CDMA system use dash for forward and reverse link. Thank you.